super excited to check this out. Let's see what it is. Oh, ooh, this looks cool. Oh, what is this? I'm super excited. Let's check this bad boy out. Oh, whoa, this looks big. Oh, wow. Ooh, I see it. Ooh, what do we have here? Ooh, alright, we got the balloon bag. Now that usually means there's a bigger toy in here. Look at this. I'm really excited to check this out. Let's do it. Hey, howdy. How are y'all doing? I'm DJ Dillio. You're awesome, and I'm super happy to have you here because today is going to be a really fun day because we're going to open up this surprise toy together. We're going to check it out, unbox it, and then we're going to play with it together. Let's do this! Woo! Alright, as you can see, we got the balloon bag, so it's probably going to be a really big toy. I'm super excited. Let's check this bad boy out. Oh, whoa, this looks big. Let's try and get it out. How am I supposed to even approach this? Let's just put that away. Whoa. How am I supposed to... Whoa. Oh, wow. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this looks like this is a massive toy. This looks amazing. What is this called? This is called the Giant Military Copter playset. This looks like it has a lot of parts and they are all awesome. I am so excited to check this out. Let's do this. Let's open this up and look at it. Woo! Alright, we got all of this out of the box. Now let's see what this thing comes with. So we got this really cool minesweeper. It has this little arm that can sweep the ground for any bombs and mines, which is nice. Let's pull that back in. And we got this guy in here with a little parachute, which is really awesome. And we even got this mobile cannon over here. It has this little orange button, which when you press it, it makes really awesome sounds. And now we got this big old helicopter. Check this out. So the cockpit, which is the seat that people drive the vehicle in, it opens. We got a little guy in here. What's up, guy? Close that. And back here we got a little hole where you can press this. Oh, it's a door gunner. Pew pew. All that. Super fun. And then we got the back, which can open into a ramp. And then we got another little vehicle. It has like a rocket launcher, really small, maneuverable looking vehicle. And we can close this. On the side, we got some buttons that make some cool sounds. And last but not least, we got a lot of awesome accessories. We got some weapons. You got missiles for the helicopter and stuff. We've got just a lot of accessories. So many things to play with. We got some figures, got the parachute, and then there's this really cool thing. Now, I don't know what to really call it, but this is what it can do. It can hook up to the helicopter. You can hook up to the bottom of the helicopter right here, and then you can pick up either this mobile cannon or this minesweeper, and you can just fly off with the helicopter and do like an airdrop or something, which is really awesome. They give you a lot of stuff in these play sets. Now, without further ado, let's play with this! Woo!
Another day of keeping freedom alive, but it's a little quiet though. Some might say too quiet.
Oh my goodness! What is that over there? Whoa, give him back, you monster! Ah! 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 Ah!
Attention! General Bossy Pants is incoming for your briefing.
Alright, everyone, listen up! At 0900 hours, the Charlie unit has been attacked by a big old dinosaur!
That's right, I said dinosaur. You heard me correctly.
Here's what's gonna happen! We're gonna be the cleanup crew. So Colonel Sanders and his moon monkey are gonna surveil the whole battlefield. Once the enemy has been found and identified, Captain Crunch and his team, his men, will be the strike team. Let's move out!
Moon Monkey to General Bossy Pants. Over.
What is it, Moon Monkey?
Me and Colonel Sanders have identified the location of the dinosaur.
Good job, Moon Monkey! Where is Colonel Sanders, by the way?
He's been compromised.
Good work, soldier! We're deploying the strike unit now! Alright, everyone, are you ready? Of course we are! We're the toughest and most fierce strike team in the world! Let's do this!
Heck yeah, let's do this. We got this.
Oh yeah, we do! Let's go!
We're awesome. We're super awesome.
Yes, we are! We're super tough! Woo!
Nope,
Nope, nope, nope, nope, nope.
Absolutely not.
Nope, not doing that.
We're
Too
outta here.
scary. General Bossy Pants, this thing is a lot bigger than we expected. We're gonna need you to send in the big guns.
Alright, we're gonna airdrop the mega cannon now! Alright, we got the big guns now. We are ready to rumble. Ow, ooh, ouchie, ooh, that hurt. Ow, I said that hurt. Stop it. Okay? Jeez.
Come in, General Bossy Pants. We need more firepower.
Alright, sending the whole strike unit now! Let's do this!
Yeah. Let's do this.
Fire the cannon!
Woo! Fire the machine guns! Pew, 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 pew! Woo!
Yeah, we're gonna win!
Ow, 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 ow! Okay, everyone, chill. Stop it. Stop it. All right. Let me explain. All right.
Everyone stop! Cease fire!
Okay. So there is a big misunderstanding going on here. I'm not evil. I'm just hungry. I'm a freedom fighter. I'm out here fighting for freedom, just like you guys, and I just needed a little snack. I'm on your side.
Alright, everyone, fall back. We're gonna get a new strategy now. Alright, everyone! I'd like to welcome the new recruit to the team, Rexy the T-Rex!
Nope. Nope.
Oh, Rexy, come on!
What can I say? I'm hungry. All right, that was super fun and awesome. There's a lot you can do with all of this stuff. Comes with a lot of things, you know, helicopter, rocket launcher thing, cannon, super, a bunch of accessories, 3 figures, and other things to play with, like this. So yeah, you can get this for $20. Please keep in mind that prices do change, but I hope you get it for a really good price, and I'd say for $20, this is an absolute steal. So I hope you guys come back next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. So yeah, enjoy everything you do, have an awesome life, and stay happy. See ya!